There's a storm brewing in the EV charging sector, and it's shaking up the stocks in ways you might not expect. Curious about where the price target might land? Stay tuned. Alright, let's dive into the news. Blink Charging Co.'s shares have taken a hit, dropping by 7.67% to $3.49 this Thursday morning. Now, you might be wondering, why the sudden drop? Well, it seems Blink is feeling the ripple effects from its peer, ChargePoint Holdings Inc. ChargePoint recently unveiled its second quarter results, and let's just say they weren't up to par with expectations. They reported a net loss of 24 cents per share, missing the analyst consensus which estimated a loss of 15 cents. Their quarterly sales, totaling $150.49 million, were also slightly off the mark, falling short of the expected $153.24 million by 1.79%. Though it's worth noting that this is still a 39% increase in sales compared to the same period last year. Now, the EV charging industry is still in its infancy, and the players within this field are often vying for their piece of the market pie. When one major contender, like ChargePoint, reports less than stellar earnings, it can cast a shadow over the entire sector. Investors start to get jittery, thinking that one company's underperformance might be a sign of larger issues or perhaps a slowdown in the growth of the EV charging market. It's a classic case of industry sentiment being swayed by the performance of one key player. But let's not forget the bigger picture here. The EV market is booming, and the need for charging infrastructure is only going to grow. Companies like Blink Charging and ChargePoint are at the forefront of this revolution, and while there might be bumps along the way, the trajectory for the industry looks promising. Now, shifting gears a bit, let's talk about the upcoming trading session's surge signals for Blink Charging. On the upside, we're looking at $3.61, $3.69, and $3.76. On the downside, the signals are $3.46, $3.39, and $3.31. So, what does this all mean? These numbers represent potential price points that could confirm a directional move for the stock. If the stock approaches or breaches these levels, it could indicate a significant move in that direction. For instance, if the stock starts inching towards $3.76 and crosses it, it could be a sign of a bullish trend. Conversely, if it dips below $3.31, we might be looking at a bearish move. Before we wrap up, a quick shout out to all our viewers. If you found this analysis helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more insights like this. Once you've subscribed, drop a comment below saying subscribed, and we'll do our best to get back to you. Lastly, we'd love to hear your thoughts on Blink Charging and the EV charging sector. Do you think it's just a temporary setback, or are there larger challenges ahead? Let us know in the comments below.